Hey everybody, today we have a Husqvarna HU775H 775EX series. It has a Briggs & Stratton engine. This lawnmower here came from Dan the Mustang Man. He has been restoring a 65 or 66 Mustang Coupe, and we've been slowly buying the NOS, well, not really brand new, but the NOS parts off his car. We bought a couple fenders, a hood, some spindles. He's changing the whole Mustang all over. He's putting some type of strut suspension on it. But anyway, he gave us this lawnmower. This lawnmower has a Craftsman bag on it, and it even came with the side chute. So we asked him, I go, well, what's wrong with this lawnmower? And he says, nothing. I know your son likes lawnmowers, so we decided to I don't need it, so I gave it to him. So we haven't really done anything with it yet, so let's go ahead and come over and look at the gas. There is no gas in it. G Junior, go get some gas. So G Junior will get some gas. Let's go ahead and check the oil. The oil is full and clean. This is a very nice heavy-duty looking lawnmower. So go ahead and, don't put, just don't put a lot, because it is getting to be the winter time. So put enough in it to where you think that's enough for it to where it's going to run. All right, that should be plenty. That probably should be plenty for what we're going to do here. Here, go ahead and flip it up on its edge for a second. Let's just take a peek underneath and see what we got. All right, it could use a mini cleaning. The blade is a little chunked. It probably could use to be sharpened, but really, it's pretty clean. All right, set it back down. All right, pull back on the bar, and the cord is kind of short on it. The cord is supposed to be up there. We did pull it over earlier to make sure it pulled over. Up, almost. Okay, try the controls. Well, Dan the Mustang Man gave us a perfectly good running lawnmower. Actually, it's a rear-wheel drive, but even when you're not using the rear-wheel drive, it's a heavy lawnmower, but it's not that hard to push. So there you go. This one doesn't need anything. Nope. We might pull the blade off and sharpen it. We're probably going to use it. It is leaf season now, so this is just a quick one. We don't have to do anything to this one. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do it in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the and more videos on my channel.